Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to do my Crafty Christmas Gifts video. These are things that I received as actual gifts for Christmas this year, or I was given gift cards and I purchased the items with the gift cards that were given to me for Christmas. So I would like to share all the crafty things that I received or that I purchased this year, or for Christmas. Okay, the first thing, this was a gift, and it's Loops and Threads. It's the yarn winder. I have not used anything yet, so I will use this and I will do a review on it and maybe a demonstration or tutorial on it. So I got that. I also got 36 markers, the Sharpie limited edition set. As a gift. And it also comes with bonus coloring pages, which one of them probably looks like that. But I'm getting into the scrapbooking, so this is really going to be helpful. So I got that. And my sons each got me a cross-stitch kit. So one of them got me the Thomas Kincaid Painter of Light Lamp Light Bridge. This is so pretty. So pretty. And there's the back. And the other one got me Dimensions. It's Wanted, or Dog Wanted. It's kind of a cute one. So I have two dogs, so I need to decide which one I'm going to do it for. I might do it for the older one. So there's that one. And I got some stickers as gifts for my scrapbooking. Those are really pretty. These I really like. I got those. And these are a little bit puffy stickers. And then some more of these. Okay, and now for the things that I purchased using gift cards that were given to me as Christmas gifts. I purchased from Designworks, Let It Snow. And this actually has a little frame. That is so cute. Little frame comes with it. So, got that. And I got a Jan Lynn mini. It is Garden Gnome. So cute. Love it. I know there's quite a few of you out there that stitchers that like gnomes. And I also got a Dimensions kit. It looks like a chihuahua in a food dish. And I really like that. And it comes with the little hoop. So I got that. And then, because of Michelle Garrett, Bendy Stitchy, I found some more wizards. So I got an angel. And this is me. When I seen this, I had to get it. It's a wizard. It's a snowman with a cat and little fish swimming. Adorable. I had to have that one for sure. So cute. And then I got me a glue gun, and it is dual temperature. So I got a new one of those. And I got a new weekly, monthly planner. And I'm going to try this one. It has the tabs on the side. And it does have the pages like this. And it also has the ones like this. I'm going to keep all of my stitching, crocheting, videos, all of that in here. I'm going to see how that goes. I liked the Happy Planner last year, but I'm going to try this and see how this one works. And I got me a Xyron Mega Runner. Comes with 100 feet of adhesive. Got that for the scrapbooking. And let me see, here's some more. I got some Tulip Soft Fabric Paint, set of 10. And I am going to try to do the shaving cream dyeing on my Ada pieces. I really get tired of when I'm doing the kits that everything is white or off-white, cream. And I don't know why they don't put different colors in the Ada. So I'm thinking about just dyeing my Ada that come in the little kits and stuff. And I'm going to do it with the permanent. So I'm going to try this. And if it works and everything, then I will do a tutorial and review on all of that as well. So I got those. And this was a great deal. This was $21.99. I used a 50% off, and I got it for like $10.99. So that was a good deal. And I got another Dimensions cat. I got a ruler, and the ruler is for my scrapbooking, but I'm also thinking that I'm going to use it to scrape off the excess from when I'm dyeing with the shaving cream. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, has it straight edged. So, got that. And the last thing that I got is scrapbook paper, an actual pad. I've never had an actual pad. So I got the field study because I have a lot of pictures that I'm going to use for my for my sons, and I thought a lot of these papers would work for them, as well as, my mom, dad. Really pretty. So I got that. So I think I am stocked up for the coming year. That is my Christmas crafty gifts for 2017. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing the things that I got as gifts and what I purchased from gift cards that were given to me as gifts. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and taking the time to watch. I do appreciate it, and I will see you on my next video.